On May the 3rd, the Baku Appeals Court held a hearing on Karen newspaper editor Avaz Zeynal's appeal against March 12's decision of the Baku Grave Crimes Court to sentence him to 9 years in jail. Judge Aflatun Gasimov presided over the hearing. Avaz Zeynal, his lawyer Elchin Sadigov, and public prosecutor Rasul Abbasov attended the hearing. At the hearing, the judge announced that Avaz Zeynal's petition from the last hearing to change the composition of the jury has been denied, after which he scheduled the judicial consideration of the appeal for May 13, 2:30 p.m. Avaz Zeynal was arrested on October 28, 2011, following a lawsuit brought by former MP Güler Ahmedova. On the 12th of March 2013, the journalist was sentenced to 9 years in prison on charges of taking a large bribe, extortion, contempt of court, and tax evasion. Zeynal rejects the charges, claiming that his arrest was ordered by Presidential Administration Head Ramiz Mehdiev and Department Head Ali Hasanov. Local and international human rights organizations believe that Avaz Zeynal was targeted for his articles criticizing and exposing high-ranking state officials.